stuck. She's okay. She's getting it. Oh, she's going through slush. She's okay. Yeah. Huh? Ask her if she wants to go faster. Do you want to go faster? Kayla, do you want to go? No. She's turned. She's turned. All right. Hey, do you want to go faster?
What?
Do you want to go faster?
What?
Faster! Keep the rope tight. Keep the rope tight. She's twisting. She's twisting. Keep your arms by your side. Keep your arms by your side.
Tell her to stop pulling herself.
Quit. Don't pull yourself. Let the car pull you.
Good?
Yeah. I'm trying. Hey, do you want to go faster? Kayla, do you want to go faster? She said yeah. Yeah, she's doing good. I'm getting really cold though. Look, they're doing it too. Look. Look, they got a board. Hey, you're not gonna go through there?
What?
She's over by the drain.